How to apply for jobs on LinkedIn. You want to click on jobs at the bottom right of your screen, and at the top you will see the search job options. Click on it, and over here just search for whatever field you want to work in. Let's say I want to work for cinematographer. Once I write that, it's going to show me. I will click on cinematographer, and it's going to show me all the available jobs for cinematographers. And I'm just going to click on senior video editor, or just for an example, that job. Once I click on it, it's going to show me easy apply. Click on easy apply, and from over here I need to fill up my firm mobile number and click on next. And after that, it's going to ask me for my resume experience. Now it's going to ask you question depending on the type of jobs you applied in. Just make sure you fill this form up correctly, because this is going to be your CV which the job applicant will review. And just make sure you fill up a very nice information and click on submit at the end. Once you do that, they will view your application. If they like it, they will basically take you in the job. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel.